Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel in Dublin. I decided to do Ring of Kerry today. The weather was very bad, very heavy rain and super stormy in Dublin, in Bray and on all the way until Kerry, and here beautiful blue sky and really nice weather. I try to drive around to the Ring of Kerry and show you how much it's possible. I don't want to stop in each places because I don't have that much time. I prefer to do landscapes today, but how you can see, absolutely stunning view for the lake. We are in Ladies View now. I wrote a lot about the Ring of Kerry and my expectation is super big because Connemara is my favorite and Killamore Abbey, it's breathtaking. I expect here will be much better. I just start my trip, but I love already what I see. It's amazing. Short break, we are in Seine and we have some lunch. I have some salmon sandwich and some avocado toast. We have a social distance, but you can see in a small village you can keep social distance, you can have a table, everything served takeaway. Really like it. Food, it's amazing, looks amazing. I didn't try it, but I will eat in a second. Everything looks so good. The place is magical. All the small houses around look so beautiful. Unfortunately, nature win today and I decide to cancel my trip and stop doing Ring of Kerry because after like 1.5 hour driving, rain gets really heavy, really difficult to drive with very narrow, very small roads, mountain roads, very sleepy, and I decide to come back to Kinsella. Now I'm in a Roscastle. It's rain, how you can see, but I just even want to walk around and have a good few photos before I back home, and definitely I will be come back here to do proper Ring of Kerry. Roscastle looks very impressed. Hopefully I will come here one day when everything will be open, because now it's closed. But the landscapes around, it's absolutely stunning. I love it. I love this small marina and boats and everything. Beautiful. After short break for food, for Subway on a petrol station, I'm in the last part of my trip today. We are in Mukrow's house and garden because will be rain probably in a few seconds. I just want to walk around to show you a few things, and when weather will be better we come back here and we do proper tour inside because place looks really cool. Wow, this place is so beautiful. Architecture, gardens, everything, landscapes, lake, absolutely stunning. This spot also have a water garden, it's closed right now, and a really huge park and lots of places to see. Unfortunately, it's getting cold and getting rain and I'm just running to my car, but this is what I saw. I'm really impressed. The gardens, everything is beautiful. I just have a small gift shop in front of me. I just want to go there and check if they have any fridge magnets. Will be great. If not, I will be back next time when everything will be reopened and I will get some souvenirs for myself. What a beautiful journey I have. I'm super tired after really 12 hours of driving, and really bad weather on very end was super stormy and windy, but everything what I saw was really beautiful and I'm really happy I did even a small part of Ring of Kerry today. Unfortunately, all hotels, bed and breakfast and stuff like that, it's closed. Will be open next month and I cannot stay anything on the night. I need to back home, and I will do, because I'm not even prepared to stay for like day or two. What will be actually the best option to see all the part. I show you my map what I got in one of the coffee shop. This is the Ring of Kerry. It's this part here, and I stay in Killarney and I drive until here. I show you the Rose Castle and this abbey here, but how you can see, still lots left. I will prepare this map on different way. I will be prepared all the part of this Ring of Kerry, and next time when I will come, I will stay like 3-4 days and I will drive from one point to another one, because I believe it's worth to visit all. For the moment, I still thinking Connemara is the most beautiful part in Ireland, but I didn't saw Ring of Kerry fully, why I cannot really judge this part. Weather was crazy. Also, this trip to Kerry probably will be last trip in my journey, my travel book. It's almost finished. I think 4 or 5 pages left, and I will refill this 5 pages tonight. How you can see, it's lots of stuff. It's I think it's 1 year here. Another book is ready. I can't wait to start using another book, because it's smaller and it's very easy to carry with you, because you can straight away put some information, wrote some detail. This is too heavy, too big to put to my backpack, because my backpack will be full, but I'm really happy to have it, and this map go to my travel book as well. Great experience, great places, beautiful Killarney. Everything have a special spirit, and I can't wait to come back. Hopefully I will be back in a month time, or maybe I move for 1 month there just to fully discover. We will see. I will think about this, because Killarney, it's very far from Dublin, from everywhere actually. It's almost corner in Ireland, very wild. It's not very busy there as well, and prices are much cheaper than here. Maybe it will be good idea to move and start living there for a few months and discover this absolutely stunning landscapes. I want to see the old lighthouses and lots of abbeys and castles and churches, but you need lots of time to drive from one part to another one and have a map and prepare yourself, because you cannot just drive. It's too many things to see, and the area is too big, the landscapes, everything. It's definitely worth to see. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching me today. Thank you to see and visit part of Ring of Kerry with me. Hopefully next time we do all, but if will be so many things to do, I will just do one video from one part, because it's really too much. Even Rose Castle is definitely worth to visit. Everything what I saw outside was really impressed. Can't wait to go inside and discover history of this place, and probably that will be with all parts of the Ring of Kerry. Thank you very much one more time, and let me know what you think about the Ring of Kerry. Let me know, did you visit the Ring of Kerry? Leave me comment below. Thank you very much for watching me, and see you in another vlog.